Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Windows 10 lagging slow problem. So in this case all you have to just go here, the search option, and write settings. Click on settings. Now you will be finding here privacy. This one, go privacy, and you can see under the general option all should be toggle off. Okay, now if you go speech should be off, linking should be off, and here activities, all of this should be off if you don't use it anymore. If you use it then it would be on. Okay, like check location should be off, camera should be off. If you don't use camera then camera should be off. Microphone, voice activation, net notification, phone calls, all of these settings should be, just go one by one and toggle this off. This is the first step. The second step is go here, search box, and write task manager, click on this, open, and now you have to go here, startup, this option, click on this. Then you'll find all of the programs here. Just find out which programs you don't need right now. Let's say I don't need this Avast, this one, I'll just disable it. Okay, it's already disabled, so I don't need this LTF loader, I'll just disable it. In Intel graphics command, if you don't need, you just can disable it. If you don't use this Microsoft Edge, you can disable it by clicking on this here. Okay, so disable all of these things. After disable, going to the third step is go here again, the search box, and write disk cleanup, this one, click on open. Now click on see OK. Now check all of this, and now click on this clean system files, click on OK. Hold on. After complete, now click on OK and delete files. Already I have make deleted, so I don't need the delete twice, but if you don't delete, you must follow this step what I have shown. Now the third step, not third but the fourth step is go here and write cmd and choose run as administrator, click on yes. Now all you have to just write here sfc/scan now, hit enter. It will take some time to 100%, so minimize it and showing you the 5 last step. Go here and write update. Now go check for updates. If you find any updates here, you must update it. Okay, but if you don't find any update, then don't update. Okay, if there is no update, then cancel, and if it's any update, then you can update it. Okay, so let's check back if it's 100% or not really. So I'll be right back when it's 100%. After complete this 100%, just go here and restart your computer and check back. Your performance will be improved of your PC. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.